Hello friends, welcome to UGC NET Success. So friends, on this channel we discuss the previous year papers of UGC NET, paper 1 and other papers of different subjects. In today's video, we are going to discuss the paper 1 of March 2023 exam paper and the general paper which came in the exam paper of English in morning slot. So friends, if you are preparing for UGC NET and you want to clear the JRF, this channel will be very useful and will be very helpful for you in your preparation for UGC NET papers. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दी चैनल एंड व्हाइल सब्सक्राइबिंग डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस दी बेल आइकॉन so that you can get the notification of our upcoming video. So this is the paper. So paper 1 to general paper. Question number 1 is the following table presents the finding of a survey into how people travel to work. So this is a survey how people travel to work. 1 in 8 of the people who cycled to work were found to be over 65 years of age. Okay, so let's say 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9 is above 65 years. Then 1 in 3 cyclists stated that they travel to work by bus on rainy days. So let's say by bus is 35. So 72 by 1/3 कितना हो गया 24. So in rainy day 24 cyclists went by bus. Okay, now the question number 1 says, this is 1, how many people cycle to work on a rainy day? So I just informed you, as it mentioned here, out of 72 1/3 was using bus in rainy day. It means 24 people are using bus. So what left? 48. How many people cycled to work? तो cycle से कितने गए rainy days में? 48. So 2 is the answer. Next question number 2. This is 2. How many respondents indicated that they cycled to work and were over 65 years of age? I just told you. So 1/8. 9. 2 is the answer. This is question number 3. Which of the following is true? Slightly fewer than twice as many people indicated that they travel to work by bus than car. So बस वाले कितने हैं 35 एंड कार वाले 18. तो क्या ये इसका 18 का डबल कर देंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा ट्वाइस का 36 और उससे स्लाइटली लेस है मतलब -1 है तो स्लाइटली लेस हो गया ये. तो ये फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. स्लाइटली मोर देन 20 people indicated that they travel to work by bus than car. देखिए मोर देन ट्वाइस, फ्यूअर देन ट्वाइस है ना, फ्यूअर मतलब इससे कम हो गया 36 से डबल से. मोर पीपल इंडिकेटेड दैट नो. सो 1 इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 4. दिस इज 4 हियर. The sum of which modes of traveling to work represents half the number of responses represented in survey. Cycle is 72, car is 18. How much it is? 90. Then by bus is 35 and by walk is 55. How much is that? Is 90. This is half. This is half. So cycle and car and walk and bus. So A and C, 2 is the answer. Next is 5. This is 5. How many more people? अब देखिए, you need to focus on this word. More people indicated that they cycle to work compared with those travel either by bus and car. तो कार वाले कितने हैं 18 एंड बस वाले 35. टोटल इज 51. तो मोर पीपल कितने हो गए फिर 72 - 51 19. वेरी इजी. 4 इज द आंसर. Now I would say one thing. This is the paper of English subject and this is data interpretation question. Can you see how easy this is as compared to the paper of law and history, paper 1 I discussed in my previous video. Over there it would take around half an hour just to solve the only data interpretation question, and here you will not even take 5 minutes. So you can see the difference in paper 1 in different subjects on different dates. Next is 6. Given below 2 statements, statement 1 is learner-centered approach is centered on teacher's need. And this is incorrect. Learner-centered approach is centered on cooperative determination of subject matter. This is correct. So both are contradictory. So 1 is true. So 2 is correct. 4 is the answer. Exercise 7. Which of the following is a technique to provide right kind of support in right amount at right time to increase child competence? Now, let's say आपको एक क्वेश्चन नहीं आता, you don't know answer of this question. Just read in हिंदी. What is scaffolding? पहाड़ मचान बनाना. अब अगर आपने कंस्ट्रक्शन देखी हो तो जो उसमें ये शटरिंग करते हैं ना, तो उसका फोल्डिंग बोलते हैं ना. You just put one thing first upon one thing and you just reach to the top. And assistance is सहायता, accommodation समायोजन, and this is schemes योजनाएं. ठीक है ना. तो now you can understand that technique, they are asking about a technique to provide right kind of support in right amount right time. So it would be scaffolding. You have to do one thing, then one, and then you reach to the top. So 1 is the answer. Next is 8. Swayam Prabha is an education learning platform initiated by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. That is now Ministry of Education. So 1 is the answer. That is available 24/7 through 34 DTH channels. Next is 9. A learner combines her previous schemes, modifies them as new experience. The process of combining, modifying existing schemes as to arrive at a new schemes is known as, why they are writing again and again schemas. योजनाएं हैं तो schemes होगा ये. It is known as accommodation. 1 is the answer. Next is question number 10. Which of the following curriculum development model come under the technical scientific model? That is TABA's model. 2 is the answer. Next is 11. Survey research is one of the key methods in sociology. 3 is the answer. Next is 12. Methods of social research are directly linked to different regions of social reality. 1 is the answer. Next is 13. Grand theories of social science operate at lower simplistic या फिर categorical या higher. At the higher level of abstraction. 4 is the answer. Next is 14. Which of the following are considered major type of qualitative research questions? That is evaluative. Non-purposive? No. Cause and consequence? Yeah, it is a major type. Predictive? Yes. Evaluative? Yes. Descriptive? Yes. So B, C, D, E. 4 is the answer. This is 15. Statement 1 is time and cost are not relevant in determining the sample size. This is not correct. Unit non-response and item non-response do not matter in deciding sample error. No, it's wrong. So both are false. 2 is the answer. Next is 16. The science of studying the feedback system in human, animals, and machines is described as feedback या फिर experience, a message, hermeneutics या फिर cybernetics. 4 is the answer. Next is 17. De-Saussure labeled language as technical code or profusion of science. 2 is the answer. Next is 18. Which of the following are the criteria for public service communications? So personal bias? No. Ideological slant? No. Accuracy, comprehensiveness, separation of opinion and facts? Yes. तीनों होंगे ये. C, D, E. 3 is the answer. This is 19. According to some experts like Marshall McLuhan, the following are considered hot media. Telephone? No. Television? No. Radio, cinema, print? C, D, E. 3 is the answer. This is 20. Statement 1 is Internet itself is a network and also a model for cyberspace relations. This is correct. Global interactive technologies aided by the Internet heralded the arrival of second media age by the end of 20th century. It is correct. Both are true. 1 is the answer. Next is 21. The monthly income of a person in the year 2020 was 65,000 and his monthly expenditure was 45,000. In year 2021, his monthly income increased by 15%. So just add the 15% of 65,000. So what you require to do is 65,000 into 15 into 100. ठीक है, तो आप इसको ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. और what you can do as well, 65,000 का 10% कितना हुआ 6500 और उसका हाफ कितना हुआ 3250। तो इसको आप ऐड कर दो 0 5 7 14 74। तो इतना जल्दी ये इजी है आपके लिए है ना। और इसका ये 7% है तो 45 इंटू 7 दैट इज 3150। इसमें आप ऐड कर दीजिए कितना आ गया 48,150। सो अर्ली द सेविंग वाज डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस 20,000। नाउ द डिफरेंस इज 26,600। तो 6,600 divided by 20,000 into 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. So 33%. One is the answer. This is quite easy as well. Next is 22. The 5/9 of a number is equal to 25% of second number. 25% किसका है of second number. ठीक है, तो सेकेंड नंबर इज इक्वल टू 1/4 ऑफ द थर्ड नंबर। सो सेकेंड नंबर जो है इट इज इक्वल टू 1/4 ऑफ द थर्ड नंबर। थर्ड नंबर क्या है 2960। सेकेंड नंबर क्या आ गया फिर 740। ठीक है, 740 का 25% है क्या 5/9 अपॉन इसको 740/4 बिकॉज 25% 1/4 हो गया ना। तो इसको आप कर लीजिए, अभी आ जाएगा 740/4 इंटू अपॉन ऐसे, तो ये हो गया 185। तो 4 को इससे कर देंगे तो 185 आ गया। इसको कर देंगे तो कितना आ गया 37 इंटू 9 333। सो हाउ मच इज 30% ऑफ द फर्स्ट नंबर। अब नाउ 333 का 30% कर दीजिए कितना आ जाएगा 99.9। 2 इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज 23। ए मैन इन्वेस्टेड 1/3 ऑफ हिज रिटायरमेंट ग्रेचुइटी एट 6% सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। Okay, and 1/4 in gratuity at 7% and rest is 8%. So let's say the amount is x। ठीक है, x का थर्ड 1/3 है ना, तो 1/3 इंटू एक्स इज इक्वल टू x/3 इंटू 6% 6/100। ठीक है ना, प्लस में ऐसे ही फिर x/4 इंटू 7/100। ऐसे ही फिर कितना बच गया ये जो रेस्ट बच गया, तो ये 1/3 प्लस 1/4 है और इसे -1 कर देंगे कितना आ जाएगा 5/12। तो 5/12 इंटू 8/100 5x/12/8 इंटू 100 हो गया ये है ना। तो फिर अब क्या बन गया देखिए x इज इक्वल टू 50। कैसे, इसको कर दिया 2 आ गया और यहाँ पे इसका 50 आ गया x/50 हो गया प्लस 7x/400 प्लस, अब इस वाले को सॉल्व कर लीजिए आप, तो 2 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए पहले, तो यहाँ 4 आ गया, यहाँ पर आ गया 6 है ना। फिर 2 से कर दो 3 आ गया, यहाँ पर 2 आ गया और इसको कर दो आप 100 तो आ गया 20 और ऊपर 2 था, ये कितना में रह गया फिर 30। तो x/30। अब इसको सोल्व कर दीजिए इस वाले को। ठीक है, कितना आ जाएगा फिर ये 24 + 21 + 40/1200 इज द एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू 7012.5। अब 1200 को आप इससे कर दो और ये x आ जाएगा यहाँ पर, तो टोटल आ जाएगा ये आ जाएगा इधर 84,15,000 डिवाइड बाय 85 कितना आ गया 99,000। 2 इज द आंसर। दिस वाज क्वाइट टफ। नेक्स्ट इज 24। इफ इन अ सर्टेन कोडिंग लैंग्वेज चीटर इज कोडेड एज GCVGT. So how they coded this? CDEHEI and JFG. So one in between is there. Same like this PQR. So first word will be R. So there are 2. So these are out. So R again ST. Then T is here and दोनों में T है। फिर FG आ गया फिर से, फिर ABC C आना चाहिए, देखिए यहाँ पर B लिखा हुआ तो ये हो गया गलत, तो 1 इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज 25। व्हाट नंबर शुड रिप्लेस द क्वेश्चन मार्क इन दी सीरीज गिवन बिलो। तो अब देखिए यहाँ पर कैसे किया हुआ, ये 7 10 19 46 127। तो 7 और 10 का डिफरेंस कितना है 3। ठीक है, अब यहाँ कितना डिफरेंस है 9 और यहाँ कितना डिफरेंस हो गया फिर अब 27। बिटवीन 19 एंड 46, और इसके बाद कितना डिफरेंस है यहाँ पर 81। तो क्या हुआ है ये 3 इंटू 3 9, 9 इंटू 3 27, 27 इंटू 3 81। अब 81 इंटू 3 आएगा 243। तो इसमें 243 आप ऐड कर दो, 127 कितना आ गया 243 127 374 इज द आंसर। Next is 26. Which fallacy is committed in the following argument? When I called you, you were neither in your class nor in the laboratory. Why are you avoiding me? This is a red herring fallacy. 2 is the answer. Next 27. Which of the following statements are logically equivalent? Some animals are birds. So there are some animals who are birds. This is animal, this is birds. Some animals are not birds. ये यहाँ पर आगे वाली नॉट बर्ड है। सम नॉन बर्ड्स आर नॉट नॉन एनिमल्स। तो ये वाला देखिए सम नॉन बर्ड, जो कि नॉन बर्ड नहीं है तो कौन से वो एनिमल्स है। आर नॉट नॉन मतलब बर्ड भी नहीं है, तो ये हो गया रॉन्ग, ये इक्विवेलेंट नहीं हुआ। सम बर्ड्स आर एनिमल्स, तो जहाँ सम बर्ड्स आर एनिमल्स हैं ये भी यहीं पर है ना इसमें, तो क्या हो गया A, B and D, 3 is the answer. Next is 28. If the statement no animals are fishes is given as false, then which of the following statement can be immediately inferred to be true? No animal are fishes मतलब वो अलग हैं। All fishes are animals, no. Some animals are not fishes, no. All animals are fishes, no. Some animals are fishes, ये true हो सकता है ना। D only 4 is the answer. Next is 29. Which of the following proposition are contrary to each other? All fishes are mammals. All fishes ये fish हैं और ये mammal भी हैं। Some fishes are mammals, तो ये हो गया। And no fishes are mammals, तो ये तो contradictory हो गए, each other तो contrary हो गए, तो A and C आंसर हो गया, तो A and C 2 is the answer. Next is 30. According to Nyay, classic Indian school of logic, which of the following argument involves fallacy of Anupsamhari, known as exclusively middle term? So hills has smoke because it has fire. Sound is eternal because it is audible. All things are non-eternal because they are knowable. Sound is eternal because it is produced. अगर आपने पढ़ी है फालोसिस तो उसमें आ जाएगा ये 3 is the answer. Next 31. Consider the following MS Excel spreadsheet in which the following population column represents cities population in million of people. Cities are here, states population. Then again Haryana, MP and UP is mentioned. Patiala, Punjab, Sonipat, Haryana, Noida, so and so, so and so, so and so. Suppose the formula if $B2 and $D1, $A20 is entered into cell D2, then the cell D2 is copied and pasted to D2 F9. So now suppose कि आपने ये जो D2 में कुछ एंटर किया ये फॉर्मूला और इसको आपने पेस्ट कर दिया यहाँ से यहाँ तक था, यहाँ तक। How many cells in the range D2 and contain 0? अब now you see मैंने ये सारा फॉर्मूला एक्सेल शीट में डाला, देखिए ये मैंने सारा फॉर्मूला डाल दिया एक्सेल शीट में यहाँ पर, और ये मैंने यहाँ पर देखिए जो फॉर्मूला इसमें लिखा हुआ वो मैंने टाइप कर दिया। अब उसको मैंने कॉपी किया और फिर यहाँ F9 तक पेस्ट कर दिया। कुछ हुआ इसमें? नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो। आई थिंक इसमें कुछ मिस्टेक हुई है। अगर somebody is expert in the Excel sheet, kindly comment in the comment section कि what has happened in this question. So answer key was given as 418, but I doubt this. Next is 32. Which of the following statement about email security best describes email encryption? This is self-replicating program. No. This disguises the content of email message in order to protect sensitive information. This is correct. Encryption है ना, encryption मतलब पासवर्ड लगा दिया, तो 2 ही correct है. This consists of numerous duplicate. No. Header is changed. No. 2 is the answer. Next 33. This is 33. Statement 1 is a music clip stored in MP3 format would take up more memory than the same clip stored in WAV format. No, this is wrong. Music files stored in MP3 format are better quality than files stored in MV format. No, ये भी wrong है. Both are false. 2 is the answer. अब आप स्टोर करके देखिए उसको, फिर सुनिए जरा कौन सा ठीक है. Next 34. Which of the following statement are accurate? Web 2.0 is simple static website without any interaction with its users. No. 2.0 brings people closer together with information using machines. It is correct. 3 brings machine closer together using information. It is correct. सो ये कुछ वेब के हैं, ये जो कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियर्स हैं वही इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं. सो बी एंड सी आर करेक्ट. 3 इज द आंसर. Next 35. Now see that this is paper of March 2023 and conducted on 1st March, and later on it went up to whole month. I discussed the paper 1 of history and law paper. So there are so many similar questions over there. So it is always beneficial कि भाई कोई जो फर्स्ट डे एग्ज़ाम दे के आया तो आप उससे थोड़े क्वेश्चन पूछ लीजिए उनसे. एंड जो पेपर दे के आ रहे हैं फर्स्ट डे, दे जस्ट मेंशन. अगर आपने चैनल ज्वाइन किया हुआ है, नहीं किया हो तो अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताइए कि जो पहले कंडक्ट किए जा रहे हैं उसमें से ज़रूर कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन रिपीट होगा. तो तब भी आपका कुछ मार्क्स तो बन ही सकते हैं वहाँ से. अगर कोई शेयर हो जाए क्वेश्चन ऐसा तो आप उसकी प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं ईजिली. नाउ यू हैव टू मैच लिस्ट 1 लिस्ट 2 इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. इंकजेट प्रिंटर, फ्लैट पैनल डिस्प्ले, ये क्या होती है? ये तो स्क्रीन्स हो गई ना. ड्रॉपलेट ऑफ इंक का प्रोपेल्ड ऑनटू पेपर, तो ये होगा 3. एलसीडी स्क्रीन, फ्लैट पैनल डिस्प्ले दैट यूजेस लाइट मॉड्यूलेटिंग प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लिक्विड क्रिस्टल्स, ये तो एलसीडी हो गई. एलईडी क्या है? एन एरे ऑफ लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड्स एज पिक्सल्स. एंड लेजर प्रिंटर, इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज पावर्ड इंक दैट इज ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू पेपर. तो क्या बन गया इसका? 3, 1, 2, 4. 4 is the answer. Next 36. Atmospheric haze is mainly caused by ultrafine size particulate matters या फिर oxides of nitrogen, sulfur, फिर ozone. 1 is the answer. Next 37. Statement 1 is nanoscale metallic and bimetallic particles can efficiently remove common water pollutants such as polychlorobenzene या फिर ऑर्गेनोक्लोरीन, पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड हेलोजेनेटेड ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट्स. ना जो केमिस्ट्री के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो इसको इजीली आंसर कर सकते हैं. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. फिर नैनो स्केल मेटेलिक एंड बायोमेटेलिक पार्टिकल्स कैन नॉट रिड्यूस हैवी मेटल सच एज निकल, आर्सेनिक, मर्करी एक्सेट्रा. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. सो 3 इज द आंसर. In paper 1 they should ask the question which are neutral to every subject. What they do actually, they take some questions from math, they take question from the engineering, computer science, है ना, mechanicals, then this chemistry, physics. These questions should be neutral to all these subjects. ये नहीं कि आपने कहीं से कुछ उठाया एक पेपर बना 50 क्वेश्चन बना दिए. Next 38. Set assertion is the change in sea level at coastal location depends on some global, regional, and local factors. This is correct. Therefore, the global mean sea level rises translate into uniform rise in sea level around the world. No, it is not correct. So 3 is the answer. Next 39. Oxygen demanding waste. What is that? That waste which demands oxygen. Decrease the oxygen level in water या फिर increase. एक वेस्ट चीज़ डिमांड करी ऑक्सीजन तो लेवल क्या करेगी उसका? बढ़ाएगी थोड़ी सी, घटा देगी. डिक्रीज द लेवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर. 1 इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 40. लिस्ट 1 लिस्ट 2 को मैच करना. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो रिपीट क्वेश्चन. यू कैन जस्ट चेक द पेपर 1 ऑफ हिस्ट्री एंड लॉ विच आई हैव डिस्कस्ड इन अर्लियर वीडियोज. तो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स हैं ये. तो 2 क्या है? 0 हंगर का. 3 क्या है? गुड हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग का. 6 क्या? क्लीन वाटर का. 11 क्या? सस्टेनेबल सिटीज एंड कम्युनिटीज़ का. तो क्या बन गया? 2, 3, 4, 1. 3 इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 41. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ स्पार्क? दिस इज स्कीम फॉर प्रमोशन ऑफ academic and research collaborations. 2 is the answer. Next is 42. According to NEP 2020, India will be promoted as global study destination, providing premium education at affordable cost, thereby helping to restore its role as economic power. या विश्वगुरु. विश्वगुरु. 3 is the answer. Next is 43. What is the full form of NCEV? It is National Committee for Integration of Vocal Education. 2 is the answer. Next is 44. The Government of India created Department of Science and Technology in the year कब क्रिएट किया गया था? 1971 में. 4 is the answer. Next is 45. The ancient system of education in India included education of which of the following ancient text? वेदास में है, ब्राह्मणास में है, उपनिषद में है, धर्मसूत्रास में है. तो ABCD all of the above, 4 is the answer. Next 46. अब ये पैराग्राफ आ गया. This is a good paragraph actually. Good for the parents how to take care of their children. I just read this and I just like this very much. I also have a kid, so it is quite good paragraph. You must read this out. Around age of 2 children has sense of intention, at least of their own intentions. It is about the child intentions. So you can just read it over here. So this is question number 46. Children of which of the following age would generally have the best perspective taking ability? Now, if you see the paragraph, this age is not mentioned anywhere. However, only a small reference is mentioned. So you can see over here, this perspective taking ability develops over a time until it is quite sophisticated in adults. So before the adulthood, the age is teenage and it starts from 13. That's why the answer is mentioned in the answer key as 13. This is a tough question. 3 is the answer, 13 years. This is 47, same paragraph. Statement 1 is aggressive children can access intention of others with ease. This is incorrect. Different person may have different viewpoints. This is correct. So 1 is incorrect, 2 is correct, 4 is the answer. Next is 48. This is 48. Understanding how other feels is important in developing empathy. Yes. Reducing prejudice. Yes. Conflict resolution. Yes. Encouraging selfishness. No. Enhancing cooperation. Yes. So ABCE 2 is the answer. Next is 49. This is 49. Adarsan, older preschoolers have better chances of getting along well with their peer as compared to young preschoolers. This is correct. Older preschoolers generally have better understanding of the intention of others. It is correct. So correct explanation हो गई फिर ये 1 is the answer. Next is 50. This is 50. Statement 1 is a 2-year-old child is likely to have better understanding of his own intention than those of others. This is correct. It is first line of the paragraph. It is always helpful to coach a child in perspective taking if the child has habit of mistreating others because of some behavioral disorder. This is incorrect. So 3 is the answer. 1 is correct, 2 is incorrect. So friends, here we have discussed the paper 1 of UGC NET March 2023, which was held for the December cycle of 2022 for the English paper, and this exam paper held on 1st March 2023. अगर आपको इसमें कोई कमी लगी हो, कोई suggestions हो, कोई advice हो, so you can just always go into the comment section and mention it over there. We always appreciate the comments. And if you find anything wrong in that, then we always appreciate your efforts for informing us anything wrong in the answers or any new idea to answer the questions as well. So friends, thanks very much for watching this video. Thank you.